In this video, we're gonna talk about how to play games on Snapchat. As you all know, with the new update of Snapchat, the games have now been removed from the Snapchat itself. Previously, when you open up a chat on Snapchat, you would see a rocket icon on the bottom right, but now, however, that option has been removed. Even if you tap on the stickers option, you cannot see any options of games. And Snapchat themselves have told everyone that games are not available on Snapchat anymore. So in this case, what you can try out is try to download the older version of Snapchat and try to see if the games are still available in the older versions. Open up your web browser and search for Snapchat old versions. You can search for something like Snapchat old versions 2022 and you can open up these websites. From here you can see the older versions of Snapchat. As you go down, you can just tap on any one of these and tap on download APK. Once you download the APK file, you can try installing and logging into your Snapchat account and try to see if the games are or the rocket symbol is still available on Snapchat. So that was it for this video. If you guys found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll be soon back with more informative videos similar to this. Until then, keep watching.